back again here in Seoul, South Korea. Today is my first day. I arrived at 12:30. So paglabas ko sa airport, the weather is 13 degrees. And then pagdating ko dito sa Seoul, the degrees is 4. That is the lowest. And today is November 5, 12:52 p.m. Mas warmer, medyo and sunny, kaya mas okay na medyo light muna yung suot siguro sa tanghali, pero sa umaga is talagang malamig, and sa hapon kasi today the lowest is 4 degrees and the highest is 17 degrees. So currently I'm wearing jacket and then sweater from Uniqlo and another top from Uniqlo, and then I'm wearing thin pants, and also I'm wearing another warmer leggings. So yon, so mga pupunta this week, the lowest is nag-range sa 4 degrees to 17 degrees. Pero by Saturday and Sunday, may chance na umulan. And then by next week, I think mas colder again kasi mag 3 degrees to 15 degrees only. Kaya sa mga nagpaplano na pumunta dito, magdala pa rin kayo ng heat tech, ng jacket, and yung 4 layers. Bye!